How to reduce belly fat. The deposition of excess fat in our body is a nightmare for many of us. The condition is worse if it is around the waist region. The common tendency among women is to go on long diets to get rid of it. How to reduce belly fat. Food does not make anyone fat. It is the bad food habits that make people overweight. You don't need to starve yourself or go for endless sit-ups, supplements, or worse, surgery. Written below are a few ways that may help you to lose your belly fat. Tips to get rid of belly fat. Interval cardio is one of the best techniques to lose belly fat naturally. An example of this would be to do 1 minute of sprints followed by 1 minute moderate walking. Do half hour to 45 minutes of cardio, preferably walking on an incline every day. Do lightweight training for upper body 3 times a week. Try to get and eat unprocessed foods as much as you can. Foods that are natural, that is, haven't been processed in ways like additives and chemicals, are good for reducing belly fat. Foods high in saturated fats or sugar must not be incorporated in our diet. Never go on a restrictive diet, as they only mess with your metabolism and ultimately make you gain more weight in the long run. To get and maintain a toned body, change your lifestyle, rather than indulging in a fad diet or program. Belly. Eat food rich in proteins to reduce belly fat, as protein has a higher thermic effect than other foods. Proteins require more time and energy to digest. So, when you eat protein-rich foods, your body burns more calories. Besides, since it stays in your stomach for a longer time, it makes you feel fuller. Never ever skip breakfast if you want to reduce your belly fat. After the whole night starvation, our body needs energy in the morning, so whatever we eat will be burned down and stored in the form of fat by our body. Don't starve yourself, rather eat in moderation. Do not eat too little, as it would have a negative impact on your body. This not only slows down your metabolism, but your body will rebound after you go back to normal eating, thus making it harder to lose the unwanted fat. Nutritional requirements of a body must always be fulfilled. Lower your carb intake. Your body will stock the carbs it doesn't need as fat. And this is often how you get belly fat. Keep eating fruits and veggies with each meal. But cut back on potatoes, pasta, rice, breads, etc. Drink green tea in the morning. It has antioxidants that help the body to burn fat and detoxify. Eliminate all juice, except natural pomegranate juice, and soft drinks from your diet. Drink only 1 cup of coffee a day. Squeeze a lemon in a cup of warm water. Drink this water as soon as you get up in the morning. Drink lots of water throughout the day. Keep yourself well hydrated.